Good morning, Canada! Dito kami nilakay sa Canada Place. This is where we're gonna go and have a early Valentine's Day. Tingnan mo naman. Look at the view. Maulan. Pero blessing yan. Blessing sa mga dalawang pusong nagmamahalan. Jugug!
Yes.
Here's the Canada Place. Mag-advance Valentine's Day na kami nilakay. Kasi bukas, very full na ang mga resto.
Very busy.
See rain or shine, magde-date kami nilakay. Rain or shine, Canada is very beautiful.
Bless.
Ikaw naman, kagwapo naman ang tigahawak ng umbrella.
Happy Valentine to all.
Happy Valentine's!
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Look at this tweet, tweet, tweet. Very nice. And the bear. Yes, a Canada place. Mag-breakfast buffet kami nilakay. Ayan yung ka-date ko. Happy Valentine's Day! See you around.